Hello friends, welcome to Physics Fashion channel. In our today's video, you will get to know about static electricity. Current electricity is relatively a new concept, but static electricity is an old concept. It is actually from 2000 years ago in ancient Greece. As you can see here, a balloon which attracts some pieces of paper from the ground. Well, the reason is very simple. It is static electricity. Let's go to next. Metals allow the flow of electrons in current electricity, but in static electricity, we deal with other materials, not metals. We deal with insulators. As you can see here, a gum. It is a plastic gum and some pieces of paper. And the paper are being attracted by the gum. If any child will see this, then definitely it is a magic for them. But when we rub a plastic gum with our hair, then it will be charged and place the gum near small pieces of paper. Then the paper will be attracted by the gum. This is because the charged gum induces an opposite charge in the small pieces of papers, and as opposite charges attract each other, so the papers stick to the gum. And this is the reason. This is not actually magic. This is actually the static electricity. This is the science. This is, we can say, the physics. Let's go next. You can see here I have a silk cloth and another the glass rod, and both are electrically neutral substance. Why? Why electrically neutral? Electrically neutral because the number of electrons and protons are same. The numbers of positive charges and negative charges are same. You can see here I have 9 electrons and 9 protons, and in the glass rod I have 4 electrons and 4 protons. Now these two are electrically neutral substance. But one interesting fact is that I can make these two charged either positively or negatively by rubbing. Let's see. What happened after rubbing the cloth with rod? When I rub this cloth, then this will happen. The silk cloth will become negatively charged and the glass rod become positively charged. How? Because electron transfer from the glass rod to this silk cloth like this. So you can ask me why the electron transformed from this, why not the proton? Because the mass of the electron is lesser as compared to the mass of proton. It is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27, but it is 10 to the power minus 31. It is so less and it is so big. So its mass is greater as compared to the mass of electron. That's why electron transfer. Let's go to the next. You can see here a hand and sand particles. This is because when I rub my hand with other palm, or with any dresses or my hair, then charges will appear or charges induces on my hand. So that when I take this hand closer to the sand particles, some sand particles are being attracted, and this is seen here. And you can do, this is a very great interesting experiment. Just take a gum and rub it with any substance like silk or with your hair. Then keep it close to the flowing water. Then the path will change like this. The curving path will be seen. It is a very great experiment you can do with your children's. And also this one. You can do this at your home by taking a balloon and your hair is with you. Well, you should not be a bad man. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh my god, danger. Here a car is warning. Is static electricity dangerous? Well, Yes, it is dangerous. As electron transform from one substance to another substance by rubbing, so electron jumping through air creates spark. And you can also see the spark in a darkened room. And it can be dangerous for a petrol or any liquid fuel containing vehicles because moving vehicles gets charged due to friction and the fuel can catch the fire due to spark. So in these vehicles metallic rods are hung below, so the electrons transfer to the ground and the fire is prevented. Otherwise this will happen, guys, this will happen. Now the charge, this is the static charge when I rub my two fingers. Well, nowadays so many machines are there you can use in order to gain this charge, and for after few seconds the charge will be inside your body, and when you touch another person nearer to you, he or she can also feel that suck. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe.